Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Arul Fajar Miftahudin.
And my name is Muhammad Ridha Arsi.
My name is Muhammad Zainal Mutaqin.
My name is Azmi Fadila.
Okay, today we will go to the city of Bandung. The name is Babakan Siliwangi. Are you ready, guys?
Ready?
Go!
Bandung is the capital city of West Java Province. The city always attracts tourists both domestic and international, with culinary tours, shopping tours, and nature tourism. Tourist attractions in Bandung are very diverse, making tourists will not run out of ideas or places to visit. Not only weekends, in Bandung city on weekdays, especially working hours, the streets are quite jammed, because many vehicles stop carelessly, especially motorists, or we usually know Gojek drivers.
Alright, guys. For this trip in street of Bandung, because traffic jam. Headache. Yes. Headache. This traffic jam make me headache.
So much car in here. What? Here, I have this. But I love this city.
Banyak banget. Woi, banyak banget.
Much.
There are several routes in the city of Bandung that are often jammed, like Jalan Merdeka in front of Bandung Indah Plaza, Jalan Otisa in front of Pasar Baru. We must be smart in choosing the route of travel. In modern times, like now, we can see the condition of the street with the Google Maps application. Bandung is a city with many tourist attractions. That is why the city is one of the main tourist destinations in West Java during holidays. Its location is quite close to Jakarta, making it a favorite tourist spot for the citizens of the capital. This is also facilitated by the existence of the Cipularang Road, which cuts the travel time of Jakarta-Bandung to approximately 2 or 3 hours.
Zainal, Sleeping Beauty in the car because we in the parking. Yes, parking. Zainal, Sleeping Beauty.
Okay, guys, we arrive at Babakan Siliwangi
Park.
Park.
Hey.
In here.
Yes.
Okay, guys,
Come on, guys.
go out.
After we arrived at Babakan Siliwangi, we were immediately greeted by a green and lush forest. We could run the forest with the route that had been provided. Babakan Siliwangi has an area of not less than 3.8 hectares, which inside it is a habitat for various animals that complement exciting ecosystem, as can be found in the Masigit Arumbi Mountain Hunting Park.
Hello guys, and we are
arrived in Babakan Siliwangi. Hey,
Have fun.
hello guys. Dana, you sleeping in the car?
Stop it. Get some help.
And now we're gonna make video vlog.
Right.
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 Okay.
Come on guys.
Come on, guys.
Come on guys. Guys, come on. And yeah.
Guys.
In the park, Baksil, in the cool guys, because
So cool.
three big tree in here.
Much tree.
Yes, you see there. You from Subang now? From Subang?
Yeah. Yes.
And here in the city of Bandung, because in the park Babakan Siliwangi and the crate from hand Mr. Ridwan Kamil. Woo! In the sense 2016. Woo!
Okay, now we are here in the park city of Bandung, namely Bandung Nature Tourism Destination, precisely located within the Bandung City Forest are called Baksil, or commonly Babakan Siliwangi.
Hey, so then what is the attraction of new tourist spot on Taman Sari Street? The Siliwangi Coblong Badung Forest Walk Babakan Siliwangi.
Nice.
The location is located at Jalan Taman Sari number 73, Lebak Siliwangi, Coblong District, Bandung City, West Java, Indonesia. Namely, Babakan Siliwangi Forest Walk or Baksil.
Such as Orchard Forest, Dirt Creek, Grass Rose Farm, which is located in the tourist area in West Bandung, Lembang.
And guys, this park was made when Ridwan Kamil still served as mayor of Bandung, and park of city of Bandung, Babakan Siliwangi, many resident of tourists, and Ridwan Kamil has served as governor of West Java.
Look at that. This is dog.
You are not ready to
Look at that.
Okay guys, today our trip in the park city of Bandung and Babakan Siliwangi is finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This park is still visited by first Tekto and the Stay Boy.
Such as Orchard Forest, Dirt Creek, Grass Rose Farm, which is located in the tourist area in West Bandung, Lembang.
Guys, udah ulang tuh. Bisa dipotong, bisa di.
Forest, Dirt Creek, Grass Rose Farm, which is located in the tourist. Coba.
Tenggal kita.